XPEL is an invisible film which protects the car's paint from unsighted damages and maximizes style, all while keeping the originality of the car's paint. Even the nastiest of scrapes and scuffs are no match for the protection film by XPEL. XPEL is stain resistant with superior optical clarity.
We at Veelog are the only exclusive showroom to use the computerized pre-cut technology in Chennai.
And XPEL, the first product to have self-healing technology in a paint protective film. Ceramic Pro, the world's leading nano ceramic coating. Ceramic Pro has won the Product of the Year for PPF and vinyl coatings at the SEMA Awards 2017 in Las Vegas. Ceramic Pro protects your car from contamination and weathering, which makes it much easier for you to clean your car. The leaders in nano ceramic coating technology, Ceramic Pro and XPEL, the only paint protection film with self-healing properties, are only available together exclusively at Team Veelog.